Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will show you guys how I achieved this sleek low bun. I know you've probably seen hundreds and thousands of videos on how to do a sleek low bun, but you've not seen me doing it before. So go ahead and sit down and watch this video from the beginning to the end, and I would truly appreciate that. Without wasting time, let's jump straight into this video. Before I start, if you're new here, hello, welcome to my channel. If you're seeing for the first time, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment below, like this video, and also share this video with your friends, your relaxed friends, or whoever you want to share it with. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.